Hello children. COVID-19 is spreading vigorously, so be cautious and stay at home. My name is Dhanusha, handling English subject for grade 2. Children, in the last session, we discussed about a beautiful story of three little butterflies. So today we'll start with a new poem, that is The Swing. Children, what is swing? ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ. ಇವಾಗಂತೂ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ poet is also trying to explain about the experience of swinging as a child. So we'll see in the poem how a child gets enjoyment while swinging. Open your books and place your fingers and let me read the poem first.
The swing. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Written by R.L. Stevenson. The first stanza of the poem. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Here, poet is asking a question that how do you like to go up in a swing? It means what do we feel when we go up? Whether we'll get excited to see everything? Yes, it's a wonderful experience. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ತೂಗ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬರೀ ಮಕ್ಕಳಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೇ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ರೂ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಜಾದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಗು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕುಡ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್? We can see flying birds, blue sky, stars, green trees. Yes, children, it will be very much beautiful, right? Here, poet also says that swinging is the pleasantest thing. It means a wonderful experience when we swing so high. Every child enjoys it very much, right? Yes, children, do you all enjoy swinging? Even I too enjoy. We'll go to the second stanza. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside. Here, poet says, up in the air and over the wall. What does it mean? It means whenever we swing so high, we feel like we are in air and the walls of the buildings are very small and we feel we are flying over the wall. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಜೋಕಾಲಿಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಗಾಳಿಲಿ ತೇಲ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? When we fly so high in a swing, we can see rivers, trees, cattle, mountains everywhere as far as we can see. Poet is trying to explain that we get a special power of sensing other world besides what we have seen from the ground. We can see all over the countryside when we swing. The last stanza of the poem. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Here, poet explains about the coming down in a swing. In the last 4 lines of the poem, poet explains about the rhythmic action of going up and down, up and down. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ನಾವು ಜೋಕಾಲಿಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನೇನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಏನೇನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ವಿ ಸ್ವೀ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ green beyond the walls. In the same way, when we come down, we can see a roof of brown, that is earth roof. ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಭೂಮಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Again, poet says, up in the air I go flying again, means we swing and swing till we lose our energy. It's a continuous process. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಯೋ ತನಕ. ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್, ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್. The overall conclusion of this poem is that poet is trying to explain or tell us that how we can conquer our joy within a small thing. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಸ್ತುನು ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಪೋಯಮ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ R.L. Stevenson. Today's homework is write the poem The Swing in your homework book.